Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Artfully Aware, and this is a cute little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Artfully Aware, and we're going to be using these people, and together we make a difference. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm just going to bring in my big shot. And then I have these rectangle stitch dies. These are like my go-to dies for everything. I just love those. All right. And now I have Pacific Point and Poppy Parade. And I'm going to use Pacific Point first. And I have these mounted on clear block D. Excuse me. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to get my Poppy Parade. And like I said, this one's also mounted on clear block D. All right. And that's the stamping that we're doing today. We can start putting this card together. Our card base is Poppy Parade, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of Pacific Point, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of Silhouette, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. So I'm just going to adhere these with some snail adhesive. And you could actually do either background for this one. To me, the other one kind of looks like tie-dye. So that's the side I want to use. All right, and then we're going to adhere this piece down. Actually, we're going to put some Poppy Parade ribbon. So while I have it upside down, I'm just going to put that down with some tape here. All right, let me go ahead and put the adhesive down on these sides. All right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And rip the backs off these guys. And Artfully Aware is going away, so you want to nab that, get it quickly. All right, there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.